Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the brand alliance and partnership requirements for Paytm's internship program in Noida. First and foremost, let's talk about the location. The internship will be based in Noida, but remote positions are also available for those who cannot be present in person. To be eligible for this internship, you must be a graduate or pursuing post-graduation. Additionally, there are a few skills and abilities that Paytm is looking for in their interns. The first requirement is the ability to work independently on both strategic and operational tasks in a dynamic, fast-paced, and hands-on environment. The internship will require you to take charge of tasks and be able to work with minimal supervision. The second requirement is a deep understanding of the state-specific and local regional consumer and merchant market. Your understanding of these markets should translate into actionable plans that will help the sales and operations teams across the state to overcome market challenge. To succeed in this role, you will need to have a basic knowledge of ATL, BTL, digital, media and social, consumer research, engagement, and analytics. Additionally, you should have a great understanding of local market and state-specific consumer nuances and engagement elements/occasions to leverage the opportunity to connect with consumers. Finally, strong oral and written communication skills are essential for this internship. You must be able to communicate your ideas effectively to your team and external stakeholders. If you meet the above requirements, you can click on the Apply button and fill up the basic details to start the application process. That's it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.